Hello folks, this is Nigel at Spiritual Renaissance New Zealand, 10:28 p.m. on the 18th of October 2019, Friday night, and I've been watching out for this beam. Now if you've seen my earlier videos, which you can see on Imagination, my channel, which you should be subscribed to by now, but the earlier videos show a beam going through Wairoa. Now that beam caused 2 earthquakes already in Wairoa area, and then a series of about 60 smaller earthquakes in the area. And we have since that point in time, there was a big swath of rain cloud came over. And I have been watching out for that beam, and it hasn't happened up until today. Now 9 a.m. this morning there is a visible beam there, and then it kind of like is vaguely visible. You know, you can see through here, but that's at noon. And then at 1 o'clock you can see it very clearly, and there it is there. You can see the 2 sides of it, one side here and one side here. Now part of it is clouded and part of it is clear. This is on the visible satellite images, so in other words this is taken from space looking down, so there's no sort of falsification of this. That line there is very distinct, not natural, and the same with this here. Now I would expect, by the way, that goes through to about 6 p.m. basically. You can see it there, 5 p.m. you can still see it. Now at this point in time the whole beam is cloud, but it's brighter than the rest of the cloud around it, as you can see. I'm just making these explanations because sometimes people say, oh, I can't see it. But there it is there as well. You can still see. Now, what happens after dark? Nobody knows, because we can't see that on the visual images. You can try on the infrared, but it doesn't show up. There's nothing on there. I'll show you what I mean. Whoop. Let's get it on the thing here, screen. So, or you can see it there actually. I'm wrong. I have been known to be. Now there it is there. You can see that beam coming through there. 4, 5. But it's still mostly around that time. We can see it at 4 and 5. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, can still see it there. What about at 9 a.m? Let's have a look at 9. Not very visible there. Okay, so we'll keep this short and sweet. The beam has been seen. I would expect some earthquake in Wairoa, possibly during the night or tomorrow morning. Maybe as late as even tomorrow afternoon. Depends on also whether that beam is continued tomorrow or whatever. So we stay watching. This is Nigel checking out.